I'm Koski, a student here at JTech. We're going to show you how to work on airbags, taking them out, deactivating them, and putting them back in. First, what we did is we disconnected the battery from the negative side first, and then the positive side, and we have to wait about 3 minutes for the system to fully shut down so we can work on the airbag. Alright, so what we did is we took all the screws out of the bottom, and we took all the screws out of the top, so this will come off. The bottom, pull the bottom right off. Take a flathead, the flathead right in here. So you expose that bolt that holds the actual horn / airbag in. There's 2 Phillips head screws on this side. Take this button housing out. You take that off. There's an 8 on both sides. Then you just pull. There's your airbag. This would be connected, but it's not right now. So what you're going to do is you're going to plug this back in if there was a plug there, which there's not in this vehicle. You take this and you would bolt this back in. Once you have both those bolted in, you can take this switch panel right here and fit that right there. So you have that in. There's a small panel for the other side that covers the bolt to get the side out. Just gotta put that back in. Take this. Put that in right underneath. Take the top piece. Clips together. And then you would just put the screws back in and your airbag's back in stock.
Now go.
So what we already did is we took the glove box out to get to the passenger airbag that's up top. We're going to take both the bolts out. And it comes right out. And you just detach the wire that's out the back. And there's your airbag. Put it back in, it's basically is how you took it out. You'd plug the airbag back in, drop it in, have it sit into its bracket, and take both the bolts, put both of these back in, and you just reinstall your glove box, and that's it.